राष्ट्र सर्वप्रथम राष्ट्र सर्वप्रथम राष्ट्र सर्वप्रथम राष्ट्र सर्वप्रथम
राष्ट्र सर्वप्रथम की बात ललित सुमन के साथ कार्यक्रम में नेशनल टीवी चैनल कात्यायनी पर आप सभी राष्ट्रवासियों का स्वागत। राष्ट्र सर्वप्रथम की बात ललित सुमन के साथ कार्यक्रम में हम आपसे आज यही विदा लेते हैं। राष्ट्र सर्वप्रथम, वंदे मातरम, जाग उठा है भारत।
राष्ट्र सर्वप्रथम राष्ट्र सर्वप्रथम राष्ट्र सर्वप्रथम राष्ट्र सर्वप्रथम।
हरियाणा और अफ्रीका के बीच राजनयिक तथा द्विपक्षीय संबंधों को और मजबूत करने के लिए वीरवार को 2 दिवसीय हरियाणा अफ्रीका कॉन्क्लेव सीरीज 1 का आयोजन किया गया। इस कार्यक्रम के दूसरे दिन प्रदेश के मुख्यमंत्री मनोहर लाल खट्टर भी शामिल हुए। मुख्यमंत्री मनोहर लाल खट्टर ने कार्यक्रम को संबोधित करते हुए अफ्रीका और हरियाणा के बीच द्विपक्षीय व्यापार और कनेक्टिविटी को बढ़ाने पर बल दिया। केंद्रीय विदेश मंत्रालय के परामर्श पर हरियाणा सरकार के तत्वाधान में राज्य के विदेश सहयोग विभाग द्वारा गो ग्लोबल अप्रोच के माध्यम से हरियाणा को बदलना शीर्षक के तहत आयोजित इस कॉन्क्लेव में 12 अफ्रीकी राष्ट्रों के राजदूतों एवं वरिष्ठ दूतावास अधिकारियों और हरियाणा के मंत्रियों एवं उच्चाधिकारियों ने भाग लिया। पहले हरियाणा अफ्रीका कॉन्क्लेव का उद्देश्य है आर्थिक और सांस्कृतिक संबंधों को सुदृढ़ करना है।
I welcome you to the land of Karma, that is land of Haryana. I welcome you all to the land of PPP. This is not just PPP, that's the private partnership, a business model, but this is a new definition of PPP by our Haryana team by virtue of its quality. That is, a land of karma is a land of possibilities, the land of potentialities, and a land of prosperity. That's why it's the land of PPP. Today, the world is at the crossroad of transformation. New technology and digital interfaces are creating a world which is opening both the new opportunities and challenges. New processes and new products are opening the new ways of economic developments. People and human values are always at the center of development and progress. Therefore, we also need to give impactful thought by mutual engagements which will have far-reaching effects on the people and economy of countries and states like us. Excellencies, a welcome result of these engagements will reflect on the globe. The world will be flatter. Those who can take advantage of this will be able to make more progress. However, it is little early to say what effect of growing inequalities and rapid changes will have on society and on human values. But there will be fundamental changes in industrial production, design, and manufacturing. Digital platforms, automation, and data flows are reducing the importance of geographic distances. When digital platforms, e-commerce, and marketplaces connect with such technologies, the way and the speed which the technology moves is becoming a landmark which was never before recorded in human history. And it is clear that whatever happens will be deep and remarkable. As such, I believe that our discussion in the Haryana Africa Conclave Series 1 will help all of us to create a new association, Haryana Africa Ties, for socio-economic development. An important question will be the types and opportunities of employment. As far as we can see, traditional manufacturing will continue to be a major source of employment for our youth. On the other hand, it will be very important for our human resources to bring changes in their lives by enhancing their skills. Therefore, Our approach and policies towards education and skill development will have to change rapidly. My government's emphasis is on ensuring that women, men, youth, and all sections of society have equal access to affordable and quality technical, vocational trainings, agriculture, and higher education of all government schemes. Excellencies, my government believes in ACT. ACT means accountability, communication, and transparency in the system. Accountable government system by providing a tool, right to service by auto appeal system. Consistent and continuous dialogue for effective communication by setting a communication protocol, brainstorming to decision making. Transparent system by setting digital systems in the existing systems. Excellencies, development of last person in the line is our motto. The portability of social security benefits will ensure mobility of skilled and employable workers in the digital age. We had created another PPP, that is Parivar Pehchan Patra, family ID for all Haryana citizens.
दिन देखिए 8 बजे रात्रि 9 बजे सुबह राष्ट्र सर्वप्रथम की बात ललित सुमन के साथ कात्यायनी टीवी पर।
22 वर्षों से प्रकाशित मदर इंडिया पत्रिका, पढ़ते रहे देश दुनिया की खबरों के लिए।
26वें वर्ष में आपके लोकप्रिय समाचार पत्र इंडिया दर्पण का प्रवेश। आप देखते रहे अपने क्षेत्र की खबरें। और अधिक खबरों के लिए आप हमारे YouTube चैनल दैनिक इंडिया दर्पण को अभी सब्सक्राइब करें और नोटिफिकेशन के लिए बेल आइकन को प्रेस करना ना भूलें।